Hey everyone, this is Erin from Don's Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about 3 of GE's front-load stackable laundry sets that you can get for your house today. Here we have one of my personal favorites. This is the GE Profile front-load washer and dryer in one of their signature colors, which is the Sapphire Royal Blue, which I personally love. It also comes in white too, so if blue isn't for you, don't worry, they have another color available. It is 5.3 capacity, so you're getting a very large interior. As you can see right here, we do have them on pedestals, but don't worry, they can come off the pedestals and you can stack them for smaller spaces, even for second floor laundry if you wanted to add somewhere to hang up clothes or add a sink. A bunch of different options to kind of, make sure that this kind of set really fits into what your needs are. Some other cycles that I really like personally, you do have, your delicates, your cold wash, has a smart dispense feature, which is going to be right here in the dispenser. So what you're going to do is you can actually add, it does not have to be tied, but you can add an entire bottle of detergent up to 50 ounces. And the unit is actually going to essentially weigh the amount of clothes and then enter the detergent automatically. So no guesswork, the machine does all the work for you, which is awesome. Can override it as well if you want to add different detergent, things like that. If somebody in the household has a sensitivity, you can kind of override that too. Different cycles through here, you have your sanitize option, which is great for those colder months when everyone is getting sick, as well as a soak rinse for sanitizing and what they are known for with their ultra fresh vent. I'm going to take a step over here into the dryer. Again, really big capacity. I believe this one's actually at 7.8 capacity. So most of them are about 7.4, so you're getting a little bit bigger here, which is great for, those beach towels, bigger blankets where you just need a little bit more space to kind of help that, heat circulate through to make sure everything is getting dry. Couple different options. You do have the quick dry, your delicates, a static reducer. You can add more time and less time through here, wrinkle care, and then of course you also can connect both of these to Wi-Fi and change the settings completely through your phone. I have done it in a previous video and I will tell you it's really easy. Theirs is one of probably my favorite apps because it's just really kind of easy to navigate through and there's not a lot of guesswork. So as I said, we have the GE front load profile set right here in the royal blue, but it also comes in the white. Here we have another one of GE sets. This is the Profile top of the line 950 series. So first that you notice is that we do have it on what we call the right height pedestal that GE offers, which is a 7-inch platform. But taking that away, you also can stack these units as well. First, we're going to start with the washer. You are getting a very large interior at 5 cubic feet. Just like some other of the GE options, you do have that smart dispense as well, where you can fill up, the entire thing with detergent and it will weigh the unit, the clothes that you put in, and then enter the detergent automatically. A couple different options to put some, softener and things like that as well. But one of the things that, GE is known for, you can see off the bat, is that microban kind of seal that they have, protected with that microban to help bacteria build up, kind of that mold, gunk that kind of can build up on some of those front load units that they kind of added to make sure that that doesn't happen. Some of the cycles that are going to differentiate this set from the rest are the one-step wash and dry, which is going to allow you to put in some articles of clothing. Typically, we recommend like any kind of dry fit material, kind of sports jerseys, things like that. Anything that's going to just kind of have more of like an air flow through it to help kind of dry, because it's not going to be a dryer, it's going to be an air dry. But you are going to be able to kind of do that whole step in this washer, which is great. Okay, keep going?
Yep.
Okay. Like the other options, you do also have that ultra fresh vent. It does have power steam, which is great to kind of help remove any stains. It really is going to help open up the fibers of those clothes and really target anything like grass stains, red wine stains, blood stains, anything like that that really just need that extra care. That steam is really going to help boost that to help bring that stain out. As well as extra rinse. You do have your little pre-wash option, delay wash, and then of course your traditional cycles that you see through here. You'll notice a lot of these cycles are going to be on the same through most of the units. The biggest difference is going to be that overnight wash and dry, as well as a couple of the different steam settings. On the dryer over here, we're going to move to, again, a very large capacity, about 8 cubic feet. One thing that I really like too is how big this lint filter is. This is great for those beach towels and towels in general that just really do put off a lot of lint. It's going to help really collect a lot of that, so you don't have to worry about it kind of getting stuck inside the machine as well. Over here, you're going to have your static reduce as well. Again, those power steam opportunities to really make sure that you're really getting out any wrinkle before you put, any kind of fitted sheet, or even like throwing a dress on before you have to go to work, just to help kind of relax those wrinkles for the day. Here we have the GE 655 front load series that you can stack as well. One of the things that I love personally about this unit is I am not the tallest person in the world. So whenever I grew up having my units stacked, I would always have to grab a stool to try to operate the dryer. But GE figured out how to not have to grab that stool. They actually added the dryer control onto the washer, which is going to be on the bottom anyway, so you can completely control the dryer from the washer. Super unique feature. It's nice you don't have to grab your phone. Everything can just be done through here. We do have a little like step-by-step how-to guide on the top, which is nice. So if you come in, we can kind of walk you through how to operate that. Some of the main other features on the GE set is going to be that microban seal that they have. So it's going to be protected with the microban to help build up, or help kind of with any buildup, bacteria, mold, anything like that, to help protect that so you don't have to spend that time scrubbing. Large capacity at 5.3. Traditional cycles with some steam cycle options as well. Your quick wash, your delicates, activewear, as well as a couple of the different steam cycles over here to really help release any kind of stains or any kind of sanitization or anything, especially in those blankets around the colder months whenever there is a lot of sickness going around. Over here, you do see a couple of the other cycles that they have, the Ultra Vent, as well as the Smart Dispense that you do have in this unit here. So again, you are able to fill this up with about 50 ounces of detergent. The unit will essentially weigh the amount of clothes and then enter the detergent automatically. There is some other options if you do not want to use that as well, that you can always just use like the traditional kind of detergent dispenser that they have here too. Moving on to the dryer. First, you're going to notice we have a very large capacity, about 7.8, and it does have that really, really large filter, which is great to collect a lot of that kind of, towel, especially those beach towels or blankets, things like that, those plush blankets that really end up kind of getting a lot of lint. It's going to be able to collect a lot more of it, which is great. Tell me when to start. Okay. Up through here, you are going to see that they do also have a couple of the steam cycles, which is great to help relax wrinkles, especially in dresses before work, blouses, or even any of those fitted sheets that just always kind of come out like a tumbled mess. Can always kind of relax some of those wrinkles with that steam. Traditional cycles, you have some mixed loads, some towels, cottons, again, activewear and sanitize, as well as your delicates and permanent press. Reducing your static, as well as an air fluff, some delay options, adding more time, and of course the eco dry as well. Both of these units are Wi-Fi enabled, so you can completely control them through the app, which I have personally used a couple times, and I will tell you it's very user-friendly and easy to use. You can download them for any of the GE products that are smart connected, and again, it'll walk you through how to connect all of them. As always, check out johnsappliances.com for more information.